On negative power law, example 1 says we should simplify a raised to the power of 4 divided by a raised to the power of 7. This also can be said to be a raised to the power of 4 can be expressed as a times a times a times a divided by a times a times a times a times a times a times a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 of these will do justice to 4 of this, leaving us with 1 divided by a raised to the power of 3. Also, let me call this equation 1. Using the indices law of subtraction, we have it that a raised to the power of 4 divided by a raised to the power of 7 is equal to a raised to the power of 4 minus 7, which is said to be a raised to the power of minus 3. Call this equation 2. Since equation 1 is equal to equation 2, we then have it that a raised to the power of minus 3 is equal to a raised to 1 over a raised to the power of 3. So negative power law says that in general, a raised to the power of minus m is equal to 1 divided by a raised to the power of m. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on all these laws I have explained to you.